Alright, we'll be checking the colors of everything of our different elements here. Gonna start by cleaning the rod. It's pretty clean already. Trying to get most of that color out. Flame. Okay, it's pretty close. We'll start with potassium.
Right at the top of that side. Heat it up. Sit there for a little more. Give me this one. Sometimes with the red stuff. Although there's about enough sodium. Sodium.
Nice purple. Okay. Next we'll do calcium.
Bright orange. Bright orange. Calcium.
A nice reddish, dark reddish orange.
Are you using the same one as me? You
Yeah.
should use the other one, right? Because there's obviously some contamination here.
A little more on the orange side. Next is potassium.
Yeah.
Probably second. Orange here. So good. Oh, got that purple. Nice.
Alright, maybe we'll try the other one.
Potassium is good. That's all? Yeah. You messed it up.
Off whatever was previously on there.
Supposed to be an oxidizing agent. Purple.
This one. Is this lithium?
Nope. This is just cleaning. I grabbed the other one.
Oh.
Are you sure this one is better?
Actually, this like
Alright.
Save copper for less.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Next up, we got lithium. Very nice deep red color. So much waiting.
Pink purple.
And then strontium, bright red.
Yeah.
Or we're still waiting. We'll try strontium. was a nice bright red there. Back to cleaning.
I think we need to clean up for long enough to shine you.
Next we got sodium. Nice bright orange.
Should I pull an all-nighter?
Not when you're taking a test from 12 to 3 on Wednesday night.
I have 2 days for rest.
Two more. We got barium. Nice light green there. Didn't last long.
Wait, that's mine.
And finally, we got copper.
You guys all done? Okay, before you leave,
I got
yeah.
Beautiful turquoise, greenish blue. Wow. So
Did I
pretty.
tell you I almost blew my hand off with firewood?
No.
I was at my friend's family gathering for 4th of July, and he threw one out of his hand, like holding it like this. But I held it like this, and it almost like straight up blew my hand off. Let me show you the scar mark. It was gnarly.
Alright, you can stop the recording.